Experiencing a key not detected error in your 2023-2025 Toyota Corolla? This happens when your key fob's battery dies or malfunctions, preventing the car from electronically unlocking or starting. Learn the basics of the Corolla's keyless entry system and what causes this common problem. Remember, Toyota issued recalls and updates to address rapid battery drain, so you might already be covered. As of December 2025, ensure your firmware is version 2.1 or higher for optimal performance. How do you know if your key fob is truly dead? Look for the key not detected message on your dashboard. Also, check if the LED light on the fob doesn't illuminate when you press a button. If you've recently received a low battery warning, or your fob's range has significantly decreased, it's likely time for a battery replacement. Ignoring these signs can lead to being locked out. Even with a dead key fob, you can still unlock your Corolla. Start by locating the hidden mechanical key inside your key fob. Press the release button on the key fob to access the mechanical key. Now, insert the mechanical key into the driver's side door lock and turn it to unlock the car. Note that hatchback models have a visible key cylinder, while sedans might have a hidden slot under a cap. This mechanical key bypasses the electronic system entirely. Once inside, starting the car requires a specific procedure. Place the dead key fob directly on or very near the push-button start. Press the brake pedal for automatic transmissions and hold the start button for 5 to 10 seconds. This allows the car to detect the fob's transponder chip, even with a dead battery, and start the engine. This method works because the chip doesn't rely on battery power. The most reliable long-term solution is to replace the key fob battery. Your Corolla uses a 3-volt CR2032 lithium coin cell battery, costing around $5 to $10. You can easily replace it yourself. Refer to your owner's manual for specific instructions on opening the fob and replacing the battery. Proactive replacement every 1 to 2 years is recommended to avoid future issues. If the manual start method fails, try a BCM reset by cycling the ignition 5 times without starting the engine. For persistent issues, the electronic control unit or body control module might need a software update. This requires a visit to a Toyota dealership where they can use diagnostic tools like TechStream to update the system. Avoid tampering with the immobilizer system yourself. Toyota issued safety recall number 23TB06 for 2022-2025 Corolla models to fix a software glitch in the electronic control unit that caused rapid key fob battery drain. This recall affected over 1.2 million vehicles and provided free software updates at dealerships, improving battery life by up to 300%. To check if your Corolla was affected, enter your vehicle identification number on Toyota's website or through the Toyota app. This will show your recall status and confirm if updates have been applied. The Toyota app provides detailed vehicle information, maintenance schedules, and recall status in an easy-to-navigate interface. Make sure your Corolla has firmware version 2.1 or higher. These updates not only fix the battery issue, but also enhance error diagnostics for better reliability. To prevent future key fob issues, avoid exposing your key fob to extreme temperatures or water, which can damage the battery or electronics. Replace the battery proactively before it dies completely, and always keep a spare mechanical key handy for emergencies. Consider aftermarket solutions like rechargeable key fobs, which can provide longer battery life and reduce the frequency of replacements compared to traditional coin cell batteries. Looking ahead, Toyota plans to integrate biometric keys such as fingerprint sensors in future Corolla models to eliminate battery dependence entirely. Over-the-air diagnostics will allow remote troubleshooting and software updates through the Toyota app. Stay informed about cybersecurity risks such as relay attacks, where thieves use devices to amplify key fob signals. Consider using Faraday bags, which block radio signals to store your fob securely when not in use. By following these prevention tips and staying aware of future advancements, Corolla owners can minimize key fob issues and enjoy the convenience of keyless technology securely.